Welcome, welcome. I appreciate you watching and I appreciate you joining the live stage.
No, thank you very much. That's so kind of you. Actually, I'm in my exams period. So I had exams and I have an exam tomorrow, but I couldn't resist coming here and saying hello to you and wasting my time, during
Are
the
you
exams.
procrastinating?
During the exams, like everything seems to be interesting, doesn't it?
You become easily distracted while having priorities.
No, it's not actually about being distracted. It's about like having boring topic exam tomorrow. The model is so boring.
Right. So you said that the material is boring, right? The exam material is boring, and that's why you are easily distracted.
Mm-hmm.
And what exactly are you taking exams for, if you don't mind me asking?
French didactics.
Wow, French. That's cool.
Yeah.
So you speak French, Arabic, and English. You're trilingual.
Yeah, I try my best not to
And you
lose them.
speak amazigh.
No, I just understand it. I'm learning Urdu.
So you're not amazigh, you're Algerian.
Well, I'm both. I'm half Amazigh, half Arab, and I'm Algerian overall.
Half amazigh, half Arabic, and you're Algerian overall.
Yeah, because my dad is not Amazigh. My mom is.
Your mom is amazigh, but your dad is Algerian. Your mom is 100% amazigh or 50% amazigh?
She's 100 Amazigh.
100% amazigh, and your dad is 100% Algerian, which makes you 50-50, right?
Yeah.